God dang, how freaking gorgeous are these forests, huh? These Coast Redwoods are at least 60 times taller than me, and it's kind of a shame that we really only get to experience these forests from the ground, as gorgeous as they are, because once you start going up, that's when things get really interesting. See, down here in the understory, the dense canopy created by these towering giants casts a lot of shade, in addition to the acidic nature of the needles that they drop, which limits that which grows on the ground, mostly western sword fern and redwood sorrel, with a few other ferns scattered about, and then you have taller plants like huckleberry, azalea, and salal, into shade-tolerant mid-canopy species like rhododendron and cascara to firs and hemlocks. As you climb the redwoods themselves, different species of mosses and lichen colonize the bark at different heights as the microclimate changes in temperature, sunlight, and moisture, and eventually up to those complex canopies that form intricate shelves, pockets, and branches that collect detritus to form canopy soil over hundreds of years. Way up there, species of fungi work to break down that detritus to supply nutrients to arthropods and insects, and plant species who take root up there like huckleberries, which provides food to birds, mammals, and amphibians that are found up there in the canopy and nowhere else. Salamanders live out entire life cycles up there. Marble murrelets come in from the ocean to nest up there. Northern spotted owls chase flying squirrels, and on and on. While every forest is unique, this type of biological complexity is only found in these redwood forests created by the redwoods themselves. And just like all forest types, this complexity compounds with more species and habitats as they age and mature over very long periods of time. Wherever a forest may be in this stage of development, when we simplify that complexity through clear-cut logging, we lose all of the biological diversity and thus resilience and adaptability of the ecosystem as a whole, which makes them far more susceptible to the impacts of anthropogenic climate change. So, if we want to create a healthy future for ourselves, we need to manage these forests in a way that does the same for everyone else that lives here.